Centro display without spacer bars assembly. Position lower post over base plate and rotate until it drops into position. Turn clockwise through 90 degrees to secure. Repeat for upper post and other upright. Align steel strips of horizontal profiles, twist together and lay on floor between posts. Slot clamps into post channels and tighten grub screws to secure. Assemble vertical profiles and affix outer rails to bottom horizontal, ensuring single steel strips are adjacent to posts. Finish the framework by joining final horizontal profiles and with single steel strips uppermost, clamp to the top of vertical rails and post channels. Unroll the graphic and from the top, align the magnetic tape to steel strips. Repeat for remaining panels to complete assembly of the Centro display without spacer bars.